So I'll be showing you how to get Hulu on your Nintendo Switch so that you can even watch content from Hulu directly on your Nintendo Switch. So what you want to do is download and install the Hulu app, which is available in your Nintendo eShop. So just go to the eShop. And once the eShop opens, you want to go to the search function and then just search for Hulu. So just type Hulu and then search. And from the results, you'll see Hulu. It's free for download. All you need to do is tap on it and then download. Tap on free download and then confirm by tapping on free download again. And Hulu is going to get downloaded. Once it says thank you, you can now tap on close. It's going to take you to your home page where you'll see Hulu. So just allow it to finish downloading and then you'll be able to sign in with your Hulu account and enjoy Hulu content directly on your Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below and good luck.